Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Oliver and I come from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher in the Philippines, a TEFL certified, and currently a private school teacher. For the past year, I have taught both primary and secondary students, helping them to improve their skills and confidence in English. I believe that learning should be fun, interactive, and meaningful for learners of all ages. Whether you are a child beginning your journey or an adult aiming to strengthen your communication, I am here to guide you. In my classes, you will find a supportive environment where mistakes are part of the learning process. Together, we will build your confidence and develop your skills and make English a useful tool in everyday life. I'm Teacher Oliver and I look forward to learning with you. See you soon!